As of 2010, diet surpassed smoking as the #1 risk factor for disease and death in America. Since March of 2015, we've recovered over 1 million pounds of fresh food, which we've distributed to over 200 organizations working in food insecure communities. Most of what we recover are fruits and vegetables, but we're only scratching the surface, the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more food to recover. Our food recovery rate is only going to increase, and we have an opportunity to make an even greater impact in multiple ways. One of the ways we make a big difference is that we meet people where they are. We go directly into the communities. Our networks make this possible. We understand that people that live in poverty not only live in food deserts, but also in transportation deserts.
To complement our efforts in distributing and providing access to fresh food, we also have begun to provide cooking classes in the community. We've partnered with a nationally renowned curriculum, Share Our Strengths, Cooking Matters, after launching 2 successful cohorts with UPMC, graduating 60 mothers and grandmothers. We are looking to expand our program in 2017.
But we see another gap. We may cover the distance gap and the skills gap, but there's another reality. A reality that faces not only populations in poverty, but really all of us. We don't have time. We struggle to do the single most effective intervention to better health: cooking. The average family has only 27 minutes a day to cook. The average American spends $1,200 on fast food each year, and children consume an estimated 12% of their calories from fast food. Prepared foods have evolved to be the center of family meals. So much so that only 1/3 of our meals are cooked on a stove, and this is another place where we can meet people where they are. With the healthy food that we recover, we can now do what wasn't possible before: provide healthy alternatives to fast food, healthy alternatives to frozen food.
Healthy foods that are easy to cook and can be part of somebody's normal shopping experience can make the difference between the corner store being the place to buy a healthy snack and the place to do some healthy shopping.
412 Food Rescue is launching a commissary kitchen and a food truck, the Good Food Truck, so that we can turn fresh, healthy food that would have otherwise gone to waste into meals for families, communities, and individuals.
Food waste can be solved. What if we have a satellite kitchen? What if we find a way to get food that is donated and stop that aging process? What if we also turn that food into something that is more accessible for people that are food insecure? You see like families that are like constantly struggling to get healthy food on their table. Well, what if they don't know how to cook? What if like they only have a microwave to cook food? Like that's the reality.
Just imagine what we can do if we can go from here to here. Healthy prepared food that we can distribute via healthy corner stores and straight into our neighborhoods via food truck. As an organization, we have built a network of almost 200 retail food partners in 20 months. We are building the same network to help us make this good food project a success. We can do better than this. With the food that we give access to, we can provide healthy meals for everyone.
A lot of like cities are still actually trying to figure out what to do. We have a presence, we have people who are willing to work with us, we just need the tools and the money to do so.